Okay, well, here we have a really ghetto setup. I'm gonna do this for now just to see if it will run. Get everything out of the way here. I got this fuel tank sitting up here. It's got 2-stroke gas in it to help lubricate the upper cylinder wall because we honed the cylinder. And let me just check the oil. Make sure tractor. Make sure we got enough. Yeah, we got enough. Now I'm going to try to make this run slowly. Because this stupid governor setup, I don't know how the heck you do this, but it doesn't look right no matter which way I put it. So that ought to be good. It shouldn't run too fast there. Choke it. And here we go. This should be interesting. Just gotta get my tripod. Hold on. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh my God. If it hadn't just done that, it would have started if I took the choke off. Okay, let's try it again. That was doing all that running after the fuel line fell off. Holy shit. That was running just on the gas in the float bowl. Holy fucking shit. Okay, well, she's a runner. Running a little bit too fast, I think, though, but I gotta fix this stupid throttle setup. This is the most retarded throttle setup I've ever seen. If anybody knows how to properly hook that up, let me know. But anyway, it does run.